Hey, welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I'm very fine. So, if you have already watched my weekly bias, so you already know what I am expecting right now. I told you, if the price went through the hourly fair value gap, okay, this hourly fair value gap, then I will expect it will use this hourly fair value gap as a resistance, and then it will expand lower. Okay. So right now price is over here, and I'm just watching the bodies right now from the hourly chart. If I see the body failed to close above this hourly fair value gap, especially above the consequent encroachment, okay, you have to look both of them and look at this swing low. So this low is important for me right now. I would love to see that market will go through this and it will expand lower. This sell side liquidity will be triggered at last, because just below the sell side liquidity there is my last hourly fair value gap. So I would love to see this thing. Market will go lower. Now I have seen so many people they are actually expecting higher run. So I really don't know what to say, but in my opinion, I am expecting lower run until now. Okay, but if this fair value gap failed to hold the price, then this high, okay, especially this high, if the body close above that high, I would love to see a higher run for today. Okay, and also the narrative, this is the Friday high. So yeah, market can go above that Friday high, then it can expand lower. So you have to just observe this hourly fair value gap. Trust me brother, this is very important for the Nasdaq. I'd love to go in 15-minute chart. So from 15-minute chart, you can see price has taken the buy side liquidity. Let me mark it. So it has taken buy side liquidity over here, and then I got a market structure shift. I mean, if you just mark this one as your market structure shift, that is valid because you have a swing high on its left, and a swing high here on its right. Both of them are actually lower than that swing low. So you can mark this one as your market structure shift. I'm going to mark it as my market structure shift. Then there is two fair value gap. One is here, one is there. Okay, so this is the breakaway gap, and if you would love to take your entry to that fair value gap, it is valid. So price actually tapped this breakaway gap and then started to go lower. So this is the setup. All of you know this very well known setup. And now when this setup happened, there should be some liquidity that should be taken. In my opinion, below this swing low, there is sell side liquidity, and finally this sell side liquidity should be triggered. Now I'm not sure how it will react when price will be here to this volume balance. If you go to the hourly chart, let me show it to you. So this is the volume balance. See, this candles close and this candles open. There is a gap. This is the volume balance. So when price will come to that area, how it will react, I don't know. I need to see more price action over here. But right now I'm expecting from the hourly, I mean from the 15-minute chart, it has tapped to the breakaway gap lower and also traded this gap. So this is the second gap. Okay, so all of you already know how we utilize this gap. I would love to see some kind of lower run right now. So when I will be sure that market is going lower, when this low will be broken. When this will be broken, I will pretty much sure that I'll be sure that market will go low. Okay, if it can go above that one. Now here I need some kind of run. I don't need to see the body close below this low. If I see the displacement and there is a fair value gap, that is enough for me to shift in market structure. But over here I need a body close above that high. I need to see a body close. Okay, try to understand brother, because I'm going against my expectation, so I need more confirmation so that I can be sure that market really would love to go higher. That's why I need a body close above that high. But for here, all of the things working before, that is the price action I was reading, for here I need a wick is enough for me, but I need a fair value gap over here. So that should be a displacement. Okay, from 15-minute chart. This should be from 15-minute chart. From hourly chart, you have to observe this hourly fair value gap consequent encroachment and hourly fair value gap high. So body, if you see body closed at the level or below the level of this consequent encroachment of the hourly fair value gap, that is kind of confirmation that market is going lower. Okay, so till now it is showing us that market will go low, but we have to wait for 9:30. We will see how price will react over there, then we will take our decision. Here's 5-minute chart. You can see price actually traded this 5-minute last fair value gap lower part. The Now this is kind of the situation where you can't take your decision, because this is the Asian session and most of the time you will see this type of consolidation. I saw this and I didn't do anything. I need more confirmation. I need more information right now. This hourly fair value gap is important for me. When it will go above, maybe I will use this 15-minute last fair value gap to take my buy. You know how to do that. It will go through this consequent encroachment rejection, sorry, some kind of rejection from here, then market will go higher and tap to the upper level of this 15-minute fair value gap, then it will expand higher at least to this hourly fair value gap. So everything is depending right now, depending on the price action. If you ask me, gun to my head, I would love to see a lower run. Let me go to the dollar index. So first, so guys, if you didn't watch my weekly analysis, then it is gonna be a little bit harder for you to understand. So if you please watch that video before this, you'll understand what I mean to say. Okay, so for dollar index, I was expecting market will go higher, but I told you if it would love to go lower, then this consequent encroachment would be the last level where it can come. So I didn't see any kind of lower. Till now it is going higher. That's a good sign for me. And I told you when I will see this low will be broken, then I will expect that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Until then, I am expecting market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Okay, why this low? Because this is the last down close candle, and you see the opening of this down close candle. That is my order block level. So when this will be broken, that means the order block level will be broken. And what do I mean by broken? I need a body close below this low, okay? Not a wick, not like this. I need a body close below that low. Then I will see this is broken. And if this is broken, that means the order block opening is broken. I will see the min threshold, but in the meantime, I will expect a kind of setup over here to take that sell side liquidity, okay? So this is the thinking for today. I am expecting higher run for dollar index, and for Nasdaq I'm expecting lower run. Now let's wait for 9:30 and let's see how it reacts. So this is my daily bias for today. I hope that will be insightful for you. If you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, now it's all up to you. See you guys. Bye bye.